Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we are given two scenarios. When the car is traveling north at 50 kilometers per hour, the wind appears to come from the east. When the car's speed is 80 kilometers per hour, the wind appears to come from northeast relative to the car. Okay, so we need to determine the speed and direction of the wind. Okay, so this is a relative motion problem again. Okay, so it's always good to write down the velocities in vector form because we can apply the definition easily. Okay, so situation one. Okay, we are given that VC is 50 j hat kilometers per hour, and then we have the velocity of wind relative to car is the magnitude of the relative velocity 1 in the I hat direction. Okay, and then for situation 2, okay, our VC is equal to VC1, C2. This is 80 j hat kilometers per hour, and then our velocity of wind relative to car in situation 2, the vector is the magnitude times cosine 45 degrees I hat plus sine 45 degrees j hat. Okay, so in both cases, right, velocity of wind relative to car is defined to be velocity of wind minus velocity of car. Okay, so velocity of wind in both situations are the same. Okay, so we are going to have VW slash C plus VC. Okay, and so we are going to get two equations based on the two situations. So we are going to have VW slash C 1 I hat plus 50 j hat. That's for situation 1. And then for situation 2, we have VW slash C 2 cosine 45 degrees I hat plus VW slash C sub 2 sine 45 degrees plus 80 j hat. Okay, so we have two equations. Okay, VW slash C1 is equal to VW slash C2 cosine 45 degrees, and then 50 is equal to VW slash C2 sine 45 degrees plus 80. Okay, all right, so we have two equations. So we can choose to find so from 1, Okay, we are going to replace VW slash C2. Okay, we say that this is equal to VW slash C1 divided by cosine 45 degrees. And we'll sub this into 2. We have 50 equals to VW slash C1 tangent 45 degrees plus 80. Okay, then recall that tangent 45 degrees equals to 1. So VW slash C1 is equal to minus 30 kilometers per hour. And then VW slash C2 will just be square root 2 of VW slash C1. This gives us negative 42.4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this means that our VW, okay, if we go back, so VW, we will use this equation because we can get the answer immediately. So minus 30I hat plus 50J hat kilometers per hour. Okay, so the magnitude of the speed of the wind speed will be 30 square plus 50 square, and then take the square root of the sum, and you get 58.3 kilometers per hour. And then the direction is tangent 5 over 3 or 50 over 30. This is equal to 59.0 degrees. Okay, so the arrow looks like this, and then this is 59 degrees. Okay, so this is the magnitude and the direction, and that's all.